Hi there, students. To cavort, an intransitive verb. To cavort means to jump around, to dance around, to prance. There were children cavorting in the garden. They were romping, they were very frisky. They were dancing and jumping about. They were having lively, boisterous fun. Yeah, kids are full of energy. So if they're cavorting, they're running here and there. They're fighting with each other. They're jumping off things. They're climbing up trees. Yeah, they're zooming around. Zoop, 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 to cavort. The discotheque was full of young people cavorting. You've been out all night cavorting with your friends, having fun, escapades, different exploits, yeah? Full of energy, full of enthusiasm to do something. I watched the birds cavorting on the bird table, jumping about and flying here and there. The cats cavorting on the roofs last night kept me awake. Yeah? You hear the cats cavorting, making all this noise. The amusement park was full of cavorting people. Okay? So, having fun, but in a lively, loud, boisterous way. When people have had a couple of drinks, the tendency to cavort becomes much greater. The teacher left the classroom, and you know when that happens, the students start to cavort all over the room. The park was full of couples cavorting on the benches. So here I guess they're kissing and cuddling enthusiastically. Okay, so notice to cavort. Firstly, it's intransitive, so somebody cavorts. Then you could say with someone else or in a place, but those are indirect objects. So next question, formality. I'd give this word something like a 7.5 in formality. It's quite a literary word, quite a formal, posh word. Yeah? Informally, playing about, jumping about, having fun, something like that. Use cavort in something semi-formal or something very formal. To cavort is a regular verb. They cavorted all day. They have cavorted all week. Okay, so it's a regular verb. And then what about origin? Well, apparently this one is of American origin, from the world of horses. Apparently originally it was Cavort, which is talking about a horse that's very lively, full of energy, is always prancing about. Maybe it's a little bit difficult to control. And then that from the prefix ca, which is a colloquial prefix, but I don't know about the meaning, and to vault, to jump. So the horse is always jumping about. And then from there to people. Yeah, people prancing and jumping about, having the time of their lives. Yeah, cavorting. Okay, so if you're cavorting, you're not being serious, you're having fun, you're having a good time. But it involves lots of motion and jumping and movement and things like that. Yeah, it's very lively, very boisterous. So there you go, to cavort. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To cavort.